So I have a serious problem. I am addicted to online shopping. I kid you not. I am addicted to constantly browsing the web, and then I end up with a million things on my cart. And it doesn't stop there, because then I click checkout. Then we end up with this video. Today I'll be showing you what I've gotten in the mail recently. So I hope you enjoyed this video because there's quite a bit of things that I've accumulated, and this is all recent purchases. When that doorbell rings, that is most likely a package for me. I hope you can truly see that I have an addiction and that I have to be stopped. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let's get started. The first thing that I actually purchased, I fell victim to one of those ads on Instagram, and it was for little Burgundy. And when I saw these shoes, I knew I had to have them. These are the women's BB 4002, I think. I'll leave the exact name over here, and anything that I mentioned will be linked in the description box down below as well. It is kind of a blend of the Air Force Ones, like in the front, but then like the back of it where it says Reebok very much gives me New Balance 550s. So it's like the perfect mix of like both shoes that I love. Reebok shoes are incredibly comfortable. I know that everyone hates Reeboks. Both of my new favorite shoes are Reebok. So I'm not saying nothing, but like you need to get yourself a pair. Moving on to another product that I have been seeing everywhere on TikTok and Instagram, and I've been getting so many ads for it, and you're probably wondering what they are. And they're these things. These are Sheertex tights. I think they're the semi-opaque classic tights is what they're called. If you've never heard of Sheertex, they're basically supposed to be like rip resistant tights, because nothing is more heartbreaking than when you're pulling up your tights, because it's literally a workout. When you're pulling up your tights and you just get a run in them. They are constantly having sales, so I highly recommend that you sign up for their email list. Honestly, on sale you can get them for like $28. So I would just sign up for their email list, because that's how I got these for a pretty good deal. I think this video is mostly just me being influenced by TikTok and Instagram. I've actually been following this brand for a while. They're a Toronto-based athleisure brand, I guess, and I saw that they were coming out with like a new fabric, a new collection, and I knew I had to have it. And that is from Azur Fit. Azur Fit, again, is a Toronto-based athleisure workout brand. This set is in the color Black Coffee. This is from their Pro Seamless line. So this one is the Pro Seamless bra. Super supportive. It does come with padding, but I always rip the padding out. It looks like this. So freaking cute. It just crosses in the back, and then obviously there's a matching legging, because why would you work out in anything but a matching set? I don't know, but I would never. This is what they look like. You know, they're very wrinkly. I am very aware, because I literally wore them earlier this week when I went to my boxing class, and then I literally just pulled them out of my pile of clothes, which is disgusting, I know. So they look like this. These have the most amazing butt scrunch. So it says Azur over there, and then you might not be able to see it, but there's like a little bit of a scrunch, and it perfectly like molds your butt and everything. If you want to look like snatch, this is the set to do it. I got my first pair of overalls, and you're probably thinking, why? Are we 5 years old? Yes, I very much am 5 years old. I got a pair of overalls. These are from American Eagle, I think. Yeah, no, these are from Aerie. They are a light wash, very classic overall. Like it goes all the way down, and at the bottom it's actually like a bell bottom, so they kind of flare out a little bit. So comfortable, so easy to throw on. Like I could throw it on right now over what I'm wearing. Like, how cute. I just imagine, like, you know, farmers markets, maybe brunch. Like I could do everything in this. Is it a necessity? No, but it is so freaking cute. And speaking of dresses, I went on Dynamite, because that is where I get dresses for like all occasions. I found this dress on sale. So you're probably thinking, like, what is that? It is a green tweed dress. So it's actually a strapless dress, which I have been into strapless dresses lately. It looks like this over here. It has fake buttons going down the front. It's very much giving Chanel. It's very much giving expensive. I love it. Also, this dress was $20. Originally $70. $20? Yes, please. Like, I am going to wear this dress to the bone. Speaking of strapless dresses, I also got this one. This in particular, I'm probably going to be wearing to a wedding I'm going in June, and it is this beautiful little number. So it looks like this. It's a little bit hard to hold up actually, but you get the idea, I hope. So it looks like this. There's a cutout in the middle. It's a super super simple long midi dress. Isn't this like the most beautiful color of green you've ever seen in your whole life? I honestly think that green is my color solely because I watched a YouTube video. This girl had dark hair like mine, and she said that green and purple look good on dark haired girls. Because I'm extra short, it actually hits just like right at my ankle, and I have a vision for this dress. This one was not on sale, unfortunately, but it's super cute. So now let's talk about my all-time favorite beauty brand, Merit Beauty. If you haven't heard of Merit Beauty before, they are a clean, easy, and when I say easy, I mean easy, makeup brand where every product is carefully designed so that you can achieve this flawless look in a couple minutes. And I swear by it. And I'm not just saying that because I'm working with them for this part of the video. First and foremost, every first order ships with a free Merit signature bag. It is this beautiful brown corduroy bag that knots at the top. You can use it to store your makeup, which is what I do, but also you can use it as a cute little accessory. Also, orders over $40 ship for free. And something that I actually noticed when I ordered myself is that you don't pay tax when you order on Merit, but you do pay tax when you order on Sephora. And Merit is working with me on this part of the video, but they were also so kind enough to send me 2 of their very new blushes. These are both the Flush Balm, and it's a cheek color that can be used for your cheeks, can be used for your eyes, can even be used for your lips. The ones that they sent me are actually from their newly added shades. The first one is in Stockholm. So Stockholm is this beautiful bright pink shade. Kind of reminds me of like a Barbie shade, and honestly it just gives you the lightest flush of pink that it looks so natural. The other one that they sent me is a little bit more of a bold color, but it is in the shade Aerie, and it is this beautiful berry color. This one definitely a little bit goes a long way. These shades are both beautiful and would be a great addition to any makeup collection. As I mentioned, funny enough, before they even reached out to me to send me those 2 products, I actually already bought products from them just a couple days before because I did definitely need a restock for some of my tried and trues. So the first one is a different Flush Balm, but this one is in the shade Cheeky. It is a beautiful like berry color. I also got the brow gel, which is one of my favorites. This is the volumizing pomade in brown black. I love this thing. I cannot even begin to explain how badly I did not like filling my eyebrows in from like 2016 to 2018. I did not like the pomade. I felt like my eyebrows never looked the same, and this just saves me way more time. It's literally a tinted brow gel, so you just brush it through your eyebrows and you're good to go. Another thing I needed a refill on is the Minimalist stick, which is not a foundation and it's also not a concealer. It's kind of both, but I use it as like a foundation stick and I put it everywhere. I also put it on areas that are just like a little bit more red. This is in the shade Suede. And the last thing that I ordered myself is the Bronze Balm from Merit, which I have never tried this before because it is a newer product. This is amazing, but this product is so good, so creamy, it's so easy to blend. Sometimes contour sticks can be a little bit more difficult to blend in, but I use the #1 brush from Merit as well. So easy to blend. I use that brush for literally everything. This has been a nice little addition to my Merit makeup routine. And again, if you want to shop anything from Merit at all, I will have my link in the description box down below. Every first order ships in the free Merit signature brown beautiful corduroy bag, and every order over $40 actually ships for free. And like I mentioned, you don't pay tax on the website, so why would you go to Sephora when you can just go to Merit? That's just a secret between me and you. But shop the entire Merit collection, including the products that I mentioned, with a link in the description box down below. And of course, no online shopping adventure is really complete without stopping at Amazon. I am such a sucker for just getting the most random things on Amazon, like a friendship bracelet making kit. And you're probably thinking, why did you need this? Listen, I hosted a Galentine's Day party. I needed an activity and I was going to do painting, but friendship bracelets seemed like the right move. Honestly, it's like fueling my inner child. I absolutely loved making bracelets. Like, I made so many and my friends made so many as well. I know that we all did them as a child, but it doesn't mean that we can't go back to them, right? And the next 2 things are kind of related, but I also did order them at 2 different times. The first one are these press-on nails. I don't personally use press-on nails, but I'm trying to get better at them so that I can do my sister's nails. There's 500 pieces in 10 different sizes. I did use them recently for my sister. They come as coffin shape, but I personally like to do almond nails, and they're super easy to shape, super easy easy to cut down to whatever length that you want. I just use regular nail clippers and they totally worked. The other thing I got is also specifically to use for my sisters, and it is a builder base and a top coat. It comes with a top coat and the builder base. What I really wanted was a builder base so that I basically build a stronger base for my sister's nail because her nails break so easily. I've never worked with builder. I've honestly just painted my nails normally with gel, so this is a little bit of an adventure for me. And the last thing I got from Amazon is actually a book. This is The Perfect Marriage, Geneva Rose. I actually heard about this book from Tara Michelle. She always like recaps all the books that she's completed, and I found this one on her Instagram, and it's basically about a husband and wife. The husband was cheating on the wife, and then all of a sudden the mistress dies. The husband is then accused of killing her, and it just kind of follows that story. Apparently there's like a big plot twist in it, I think. Whew. And that is everything that I purchased recently. I told you that it was a lot. I have a problem. I am aware. I am kind of trying to work on it, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, do all the things, follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'm literally everywhere. You could find me at the exact same handle, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!